Hi, this is John Duclos, a teacher at Citizenship Academy. This is our final lesson for Unit 3, going over odd and even numbers, and it is our quiz review. Hi, welcome back, and let's jump right into our quiz. Which of these numbers is odd? We have 4, 6, 7, and 8. So I'm going to just jump right in and see that for 4, we know that we can have 2 and 2. So that's an even number. For 6, we know that we can have 3 and 3. So that's an even number. For 8, we know that you can have 4 and 4. So that's an even number. But for 7, we don't have any doubles facts. 7 is 1 more than 6. So it would be 3 plus 3 plus 1. Whenever you have a doubles fact plus 1, that's the odd number. So for number 1, we know that 7 is the odd number. Number 2, Tommy has 7 red marbles and 7 blue marbles. Is the total number of Tommy's marbles even or odd? Well, I tried to trick you on this one by making the colors of the marbles different, but the groups of the marbles the same. So we had red marbles, and we had blue marbles, and I had 7 red marbles and 7 blue marbles. 7 plus 7 is 14. And because it's a doubles fact, it's an even number. So even though they're different colored marbles, my total marbles, my marbles put together, can make 2 even groups of 7, which is 14. So our answer is even. Number 3. How do you know 17 is an odd number? Write at least one full sentence. So we have 17, and we're trying to figure out, how do you know it's an odd number? Well, if we start doing doubles facts, we'll start at 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 plus 7 is 14. 8 plus 8 is 16. 9 plus 9 is 17. Or sorry, 9 plus 9 is 18. A little mistake by me. It is 18. And so what I can see is that 17 would go right here. It's 1 more than 16. So 17 is going to be my doubles, 8 plus 8 plus 1, because 16, 17. So I know that 17 is an odd number because in order to get to 17, I use a doubles plus 1. So on my quiz, I would write, I know that 17 is an odd number because I can make 17 using a doubles plus 1 fact of 8 plus 8 plus 1 equals 17. And again, as you see, I made some spelling mistakes. If you do, that's totally okay. I just want us to start practicing putting our math in word form. All right, let's move on to the last question, or I think the last question. Last question says, how do you know if 14 is odd or even? Write at least one full sentence. So now our number is 14. And if we do doubles facts, we're going to start at 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 plus 7 is 14. And bam, I can see that 14 is 2 equal groups of 7. That makes it even. So on my quiz, I would write, I know that 14 is an even number because 14 is 2 groups of 7. And again, see, I'm making little spelling mistakes. Don't worry about that. This is our math class. So that finishes our quiz. Have a great weekend. And remember, if you're a part of the 2C Atoms, if you're in my class, today at 1 o'clock, we're having our get-together. I really hope everyone can be there, and I can't wait to see you all. Have a great weekend, and I will see you later. Goodbye.